Okay, good afternoon. My name is Harold Clem. I'm the Fiat brand manager for Fiat USA. What we have here is the brand new 2019 Fiat 500X. This model here is an evolution of the 2018. There's a number of changes that we made to the vehicle. On the exterior side, there are a number of visual changes. On the front, you can see we have available LED headlamps and LED daytime running lights. As we get to the back, we have LED taillights, standard as well. We have a new front fascia design. And then we have several new wheel options, this being a brand new 18-inch wheel.
Perfect.
Okay. We also made a number of changes on the inside of the car. We have a brand new instrument cluster and steering wheel, much more readable gauges. We also have a couple new seat fabric choices. The biggest news for the car, though, is the functional changes, the powertrain. We have a brand new 1.3 liter direct injection turbo engine that's standard on all price classes. This engine makes 177 horsepower and 210 pound-feet of torque. That's an improvement of over 17 horsepower and almost 30 foot-pounds of torque over the old car. That result part of the Fiat brand's initiative to have fun to drive, good handling. In addition to the new engine, all-wheel drive is standard for 2019. As we come to the back here, you can see the new lighting, standard LED tail lamps with the body-colored insert, which is one of the new Fiat design cues. And that's, that's kind of the highlight.
And this one is all-wheel drive model?
Yes, all-wheel drive is standard for 2019 on the 500X.
And do you have the price for the U.S. market?
The price will be about $25,800.
Perfect. One last thing, I really don't know, is this Fiat made in U.S. or in Italy?
No, this is made in Italy.
So it's Italian car in the United States?
Yes, it is.